I will need some. I'm 110 miles, I can probably do about 140, so I'll probably get some in, whatever, it'll be fine, no stress. Yeah, I do apologise for the wind noise when that happens, because it's inevitable. You sound well good, mate. Yeah, you're well clear. I think go out here and go right. Bit of fun. Open them up a bit. I'll just stagger myself off you basically, so we're not like directly behind one another. I'll just be to your right or whatever. Do you use your rear brake much? This is fun. Is your foot on your rear brake? Yeah. Your brake light was on then? Yeah, the light's on, or it was. Not bad, 51. No, it's fine. I mean, that's pretty much the speed limit, so, you know, fucking win. Oh, this is good. It's fucking hot though. I do like that sign there that says ultra warm. I'm like, yes, it fucking is. Fucking traffic lights. It's a Bellini, I think, isn't it? The Mondial. Yeah. But it's non-signposted and it's street lit, so I presume it's a 30. What a day, it's fucking lush. Oh yeah, it's changed to a 30 now on Google Maps. There we go. Oh yeah, for anyone that doesn't understand what the fuck is going on, we are on the phone chatting with Bluetooth headphones in so we can hear each other, but you guys won't be able to hear it. Fucking chavs. Currently cruising to the next town here with left side ride on his new Kawasaki Z125. He's new to riding, which is good. We're just cruising in the sunshine. It's really hot today. Might be a little bit too hot, but it's good. Nice to ride with a mate. He's finally got a bike. I'm pumped. Had a little local ride around his town. Just going over to the next town, and then we'll see where the day takes us after that, really. No plans. We are just perusing. It's fun riding as a pair, especially when you know the other guy, like, you know, it's your mate from fucking 10 years or more, 15 years. Been a long time coming. A lot of fun. Oh, it's an old Ducati. Nice. Ducati. Oh, is it 50? Sick.